bless you, or should I say, bless you? Today, we're going to be covering the drama surrounding one of Eugene Lang's most deceitful students. None of you knew the true identity of that scum of the earth loser, but strap in, because today, I'm revealing their true identity. And I came with evidence. Welcome back to TNS Drama. As some of you may have heard, there's been someone going around fake sneezing, causing chaos in the halls of West 11th Street. Ren Pranks, a small prank YouTuber, could be the reason you're hearing more bless yous in the Lang Cafe. This TNS student is dedicated to causing chaos, sending the student body into a state of uncertainty and fear.
What's up, Ren Nation? Welcome back to the Ren Prank Show. Today we're going to be doing some hilarious fake sneezing pranks in class. Let's see how many bless yous we can get.
Ren Pranks is a second-year Bama student, and their early channel is just dedicated to videos of babies falling down. What kind of sick freak would do something like this? Compiling videos of babies falling down? What is wrong with you? I stumbled across their content one day when I was looking for footage from one of my past videos, The Sick and Twisted World of Gnarls the Narwhal, and I knew right then and there that it was my solemn duty to expose this liar. Here are just a few examples of the sick pranks that this deranged and twisted individual likes to pull.
Blessing me. I haven't even gotten a Gesundheit. It might have been a waste of time.
What does the rest of the student body have to say about this borderline criminal? Take a look at these fizz posts. Students are expressing nothing but outrage and disgust. Ren Pranks has done nothing but wreak havoc on the new school community, weaving their snake lies and deceit into the very fabric Parsons students are sewing with. Wiping their fake snot onto the $50 vintage tee of a Copa boy. We, as a TNS student body, have to bring this germ machine to justice. So, after a more comprehensive look at Ren Pranks' channel, what do we think? Are they a devil amongst angels? How can we make them pay for their heinous crimes? That's it for today, guys. Sound off in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I make a video. Thank you so much for watching, and with that, goodbye!